Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to make extra money from home, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 5 legit ways to make money online, perfect for beginners. You don't need fancy tech skills or a big budget to get started. These are actionable strategies you can start today. So grab your coffee and let's unlock your online earning potential. Alright, let's kick things off with freelancing. Freelancing isn't just for coding whizzes or design gurus, it's about identifying your strengths and finding people willing to pay for them. Are you a great writer, detail-oriented editor, or spreadsheet master? These are valuable skills businesses need. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with clients looking for these services. Even basic skills like data entry, virtual assistants, or voiceovers are in high demand. The key is to find your niche, create a compelling profile, and start bidding on projects. Every gig builds your portfolio and attracts higher-paying clients. I've seen people turn freelancing into full-time careers, achieving financial freedom. It's doable, and it all starts with that first step. Next up, digital products, one of the best ways to generate passive income. Create once, sell unlimited times. No inventory, no shipping, just profit. Think about your skills. Can you design social media templates, budget spreadsheets, or meal planners? Maybe you're great at writing ebooks or creating educational workbooks. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Payhip make selling digital products easy. Upload your files, set your price, and they handle the rest. It's a low-cost, high-reward model that can generate consistent income. Promote your products, engage with your audience, and provide great customer service. Let's talk about print on demand, a creative, low-risk way to make money online. Create designs for products like t-shirts, mugs, or tote bags, and partner with a print-on-demand company. They handle printing, packaging, and shipping. You only pay when a product sells. No upfront costs, no inventory, just focus on creating designs. Not a designer? Tools like Canva make it easy with templates and design elements. Even text-based designs or funny slogans can sell well. Test ideas, scale your business, and watch your creativity pay off. Content creation is one of the most powerful ways to make money online. You don't need millions of followers, just valuable content and consistency. Whether it's YouTube, TikTok, a blog, or a podcast, there's an audience for your message. Monetize through ad revenue, affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, or selling your own products. The key is finding your niche, creating high-quality content, and being patient. It takes time, but the long-term potential is massive. Sharing your knowledge through online tutoring or courses is a fantastic way to earn. Are you great at math, guitar, or fluent in another language? Teach it online. Platforms like Skillshare and Teachable make creating and selling courses simple. Zoom is perfect for one-on-one or group tutoring sessions. Even niche skills like knitting or baking sourdough bread have eager learners. Share your expertise and get paid for helping others grow. Those were 5 powerful ways to start making money online, all beginner-friendly and doable. Which one will you try first? Drop a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, stay smart, stay creative, and go make that online money.